One morning, while taking a stroll and talking to the birds, kind of psycho, but whatever. The clouds attacked! Ah! Everybody run! Oh my god! He's gonna eat us all! Oh my god, there's more of them! Ah! Da, da, da. He turns us all different colors! Ah! We're all gonna die! And he makes us all silly and loco. Oh, loco. Ah! It's amazing, but scary. Very scary. Abraham Lincoln. Or my brother. Who knows? He ate half of the world? Oh. All that's left is the northern hemisphere? Oh. Oh well. Ha 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 ha.